Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll give you a complete walkthrough of how to use the Tamara app for your shopping in the UAE. First, after installing the Tamara app and creating your account, you'll see the main dashboard showing your available balance and recent activity. Next, to shop online, simply visit any of Tamara's partner stores, like IKEA, SHN, Bath and Body Works. Add items to your cart and proceed to checkout. Then, at the payment page, select Tamara as your payment method. You'll be redirected to the Tamara app to log in and confirm your purchase. After that, choose your payment plan. You can pay in 3 or 4 installments, either monthly or bi-weekly, all interest-free. Confirm the purchase, and you're done. The first payment is processed immediately, with subsequent payments automatically charged to your saved payment method. You can track all your purchases and payment schedule in the Orders section of the Tamara app. It's that simple. If this Tamara tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.